Wollaston Beach. Very beautiful beach. I love it. It's fun. Makes me happy. Yeah? This is just my take on life, you know. I think that not always dogs are allowed because some people can get infections and diseases and stuff. But I'm not afraid of anything. Maybe just afraid of the cold weather. But who says that a little cold can't do much? I'm not afraid. I'm happy. I know that if I touch that water, I'll be happy. And there's a seagull right there. But I just saw a shell that's calling my name. The shell. That's the shell. Look at the shell. Literally right there. You see it? So beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love this shell. I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna take it home. Literally. But you know, by any means that I'll be saved by